So, this is also the first time na makikita ng cast at nila Direk hindi ako sure kay Direk, pero ang ating poster. Alright? So, on the count of 5, sabay-sabay natin i-reveal ang poster. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen, on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, of course, the official poster of Hell University! Oh, diba? Oh, sorry. Okay, so what do you guys think? What do you guys think of the poster, Heart?
It's so cool.
It's incredibly cool. Z,
I'm speechless. Everyone looks so good. Everyone looks so scared.
excited na ang lahat. Okay, let's have a photo with Zeke and Heart sa poster. Alright, so please do